In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the GDRFA Dubai app on Android. This app is essential for residents and visitors in Dubai as it provides a variety of services related to residency and foreign affairs. To get started, the first step is to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the icon that resembles a colorful play button, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon will launch the Play Store, which is where you'll find thousands of apps. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android, ensuring you get the latest and safest version of the GDRFA app. Once the Google Play Store is open, the next step is to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is a prominent feature, usually labeled with the word search or the magnifying glass icon. When you tap on it, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to enter text. Now type GDRFA DXB into the search bar. This is the official name of the app you are looking for. Being specific in your search helps filter out unrelated apps and makes it easier to find exactly what you need. After entering the text, you can press the search icon on your keyboard to proceed. After you initiate the search, you will see a list of apps related to your query. From this list, you need to select the official GDRFA DXB app. It is developed by the General Directorate of Residency and Foreigners Affairs, Dubai, which you can confirm by checking the developer's name listed below the app icon. Selecting the official app is important because it ensures that you are downloading the correct application that meets your needs for residency and foreign affairs services in Dubai. Once you tap on the app, you will be taken to its details page where you can review more information about its features and user ratings. Now that you've located the official GDRFA DXB app, it's time to tap the Install button. This button is usually green and prominently displayed on the app's details page. Tapping Install will start the download and installation process. This step is essential because it gets the app onto your device, enabling you to access all the services it offers. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that the GDRFA DXB app has been successfully installed. You can either tap Open from the notification or find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. This confirmation is reassuring, as it ensures that everything has been set up correctly. Now you are all set to explore the app and take advantage of its features, such as applying for residency visas or accessing various government services. Remember, having this app on your phone makes managing your residency and foreign affairs much more convenient. In summary, downloading the GDRFA Dubai app on Android is straightforward. You open the Google Play Store, search for GDRFA DXB, select the official app, and tap Install. Each step is designed to guide you towards successfully acquiring this essential tool for navigating residency services in Dubai. With the app installed, you can easily manage your affairs with just a few taps on your screen. Enjoy using the app.